Good morning, students. I would like to start a very fresh chapter, but it should be started with today's thought. Thought is self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. Student, self-belief and hard work will always earn you success, quoted by captain of Indian cricket team Virat Kohli. So you should also follow self-belief and hard work. Today's chapter is the abolition of slavery. Standard 9, Social Science History. I have already taught you yesterday chapter 4, Did Woman Have a Revolution? Today you will study how was slavery abolished in France. So one of the most revolutionary social reform of the Jacobin regime was the abolition of slavery in the French colonies. You have studied about the Jacobin regime governed by Maximilian Robespierre. This Jacobin regime abolished slavery in the French colony. The French colony in the Caribbean islands. France was also imperial country and it had a colony in the Caribbean island, Martinique, Guadeloupe and Saint Domingo were important suppliers of commodities such as tobacco, indigo, sugar and coffee. But the reluctance of Europeans to go distant part and to unfamiliar land means shortage of labor. Europeans didn't want to go to other remote areas, to other continent. Means that place shortage of labor. This shortage of labor was made by a triangular slave trade. Triangular slave trade between three continents: Europe, Africa and America. Map has been sketched. It is the map of triangular slave trade. It is European continent and France. From here, there were two port cities, very important, Nantes and Bordeaux. From the Nantes and Bordeaux, European sailors sailed a ship and went to African continent. In African continent, that merchant bought slaves from the local chieftains and packed them tightly in the ship and traveled to a long sea voyages, 3 month long voyages to Caribbean island, means America. And at that place they cultivated coffee, tea, sugar, indigo, and this product was supplied to Europe. It is called a triangular slave trade. Europe to Africa, Africa to America and America to Europe. Throughout the 18th century, there was little criticism of slavery in France due to the fearing of the merchant. Their benefit depend on the slave trade. The National Assembly couldn't make the law, but it was finally the 1794 convention legislated to free all slaves in France and from the French colony. But it was very short term because 10 years later Napoleon Bonaparte reintroduced slavery in France and gave power the plant owner to use the local people of Africa. They were called Negroes. Negroes means a term used for the indigenous people of Africa south of Sahara region. It is a derogatory term not in common use any longer. And revolution was going on. Slavery was finally abolished in France colony in 1848. So some maps. This is the chapter, the abolition of slavery, and it is the map, emancipation of slavery. Children, this chapter is very important for the map question. Map question often is asked from this chapter. It is the maps of France. I have taught you about the French colony in the Caribbean island, Martinique, Guadeloupe, Saint Domingo. Two famous port city was Nantes, Bordeaux. Paris was the capital, Marseille. These places can be asked in exam as map question. Allocate and label following places on outline map of yellow. Bordeaux, Paris. Bordeaux was the port city. Paris was the capital. Nantes also port city. Marseille is very famous place. So you should prepare for the map question from this chapter, the abolition of slavery, and other question also can be arisen. What do you know about the abolition of slavery in France? So student, this chapter, the abolition of slavery completed. I will teach you tomorrow the last chapter under the French Revolution, Revolution and Everyday Life. Thank you.